Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, reverse question mark and slash, I'm going to show you how you can give your pinky a break by not having to hit the shift key when you're inserting question marks. I have a document open right now, and in order to insert a question mark, I have to hit shift plus slash, which is a standard keyboard operation. And if I hit just the slash key, it will put a slash between words. However, most Eclipse users have to insert far more question marks than slashes. And so if you do not want to have to use an extra finger to press the shift key in order to insert a question mark, you can simply toggle this behavior. If I go to my user settings, to the edit tab, one of the options I have is reverse question mark and slash. If I check this box and press OK, I can move here, and if I press just the slash key, then this time Eclipse gives me a question mark instead of a slash. If I move again, and this time press shift plus slash, this time I get a slash. However, if I go into a global window and I try to insert a question mark with just the slash key, I still get just the slash. And that's because also in the edit tab, right underneath reverse question mark and slash, there's an option to do it in text boxes as well. Some users prefer that when they're typing, the question mark and slash are reversed, but not in text boxes. However, some users prefer to have it reversed all the time. And so if that's the case, you can check both of these boxes. And now when I global, I can press just the slash mark, and I get a question mark. And so especially if you find that you have difficulty hitting the slash with the shift button, and you often end up with just a slash, this feature might save you a lot of headache. It may take a few minutes to get used to, but once you're on a roll, you'll never want to live without it again. And don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.